Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of my shed build series. We are building a 10 by 12 storage shed and sharing some tips along the way. Today we'll be framing up walls and installing all of the roof trusses. I like having a checklist to keep my projects on track. In the first video, we framed out the floor joists, installed the sheeting. In episode 2, we built a truss jig and all of the trusses. And today we've got a lot of work to do. So here we're measuring and cutting out all the studs for one side wall. And then I measured the bottom plate and marked where the studs will go. And then we'll match that up with the top plate and transfer those marks over. So back to me having a project checklist. Funny story. A while back I decided I wanted some chocolate cake. So I decided to throw some ingredients together and didn't really bother finding a recipe or anything. Just mixed it up and stuck it in the oven. So it was smelling really good, but when I took a taste of it, something wasn't quite right. It just wasn't sweet like a cake should be. Turns out I forgot to add sugar in. So if you're old like me, checklists and recipes are a good thing. So here I'm laying out the top and bottom plate and the studs in between. And then we'll nail those together. This is a brace that I'm attaching to the side of the wall. When we stand the wall up, this brace will hold it plumb while we get all the other walls framed up and stood up and nailed together. Unfortunately, my camera battery died and I didn't know it wasn't filming here, so this is a still pic to fill in the gap. So showing what we got done today. We got the 3 walls put up, and yesterday we finished building all the trusses, and I put those in the garage, so I won't be able to show you those, but this is where we are. And here's the bird's eye view looking down on the shed. This is showing the backer stud that I put in each of the corners. This is an easy way to get the stud to nail to when you're hanging your drywall or whatever it is you're going to put on the inside of the walls. Okay, we finally got this final wall put together here, I think. At least it's all measured out. Got my headers put together, and we're getting ready to nail it together, and then we'll stand it up. So we did get the front wall nailed and stood up. I just failed to get it on film. So I got to bring all the trusses out of the garage and get them staged, ready to install. So we're adding this temporary 2x4 vertical here on each of the gable ends, so that the end trusses have some support while everything's getting put together. So as we went across installing the trusses, I attached braces from one truss to the next. This way they would stay plumb while we were sheeting the roof. Okay, we got the walls up, we got all the trusses up. I think we're gonna call it a day. That wraps up today's episode. In the next episode, we'll be installing the siding and the roofing. So be sure to join us for that. And thank you guys for watching.